Welcome to ZJ Placemat, your premier partner for high-quality placemats designed for global markets. This video takes you inside our state-of-the-art factory, where advanced manufacturing capabilities and a commitment to excellence converge. With cutting-edge production lines and an impressive monthly capacity of 5 million units, we produce a diverse range of placemats including woven, PVC, fabric, cork, natural plant fiber, silicone, and fully customized options. Our rigorous quality control processes ensure durability, style, and functionality, making our placemats ideal for commercial settings such as restaurants, hotels, cafes, and event venues. At ZJ Placemat, we prioritize your business success. Our comprehensive services include OEM and ODM customization, allowing you to create branded placemats with tailored designs, colors, and packaging. We offer flexible MOQs, rapid lead times, and eco-friendly material options to meet the demands of importers and wholesalers worldwide. Certified for quality and sustainability, our products align with the latest industry trends, helping you capture market opportunities. Our dedicated team provides seamless communication and reliable logistics to ensure your orders arrive on time, every time. Partner with ZJ Placemat for unparalleled quality and service. Let's build your brand together.